This is my kind of job.
Sam, what are you doing here?
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Yum! Now it's time to eat.
Hi kids, today I've decided to make a delicious pizza.
Give me a candy.
No. I have 2 pizza bases, but I need only 1 pizza. What will I do with the other one?
Well, give it to me. I'll put it to good use.
Fine, take it. So, here's our base. And we'll also need some ketchup.
Jam! Mine! Ew! No jam? Tomatoes? Maybe you've got a candy?
No.
Ah.
Right, let's squeeze our ketchup out on the pizza base like this.
Yeah, right. A pizza without candy is nothing but a 0.
You just don't know anything about pizzas. I'll spread ketchup all over the base. Here, like this.
There's not enough tomato jam.
I don't really know.
Let me help. Wait, just a sec.
Sam, stop! Enough!
Oh yeah, more jam, more. Come on, baby, come on.
Sam, stop. Calm down.
Give me the spoon.
But Sam, no.
This is my kind of job. Don't really like the smell, but give it some nice pounding. Bam, bam.
Whoa, Sam! You call that help?
Yep, candy.
Go now, shoo. Made a mess and demands candy. Now I'll have to clean it all up. Right. Now it's clean again and I can continue. Ready. Now, our pizza also needs some…
Candy?
No! Give it a break already! To make a delicious pizza, we'll need some salami. Let's place it on our pizza neatly, like this, in a circle.
I need to grab a piece. They say it's something delicious. Grab and pull. Come on.
Hey, there was more here.
Eat it yourself.
Come on, Sam! Quit it! We will also need some nice cherry tomatoes. Let's cut these little guys for our pizza.
They look like candy.
No, Sammy, these aren't candy. These are tomatoes.
What's the fun in that? Don't cut your fingers off. You'll have a hard time making pizza then.
I'll try.
Have I told you about my adventures in the Tibidabo Mountains?
Sam, get lost. Right. Let's lay out our tomatoes, like this. It comes out really nice.
Listen, if they look like candy, maybe we'll just replace them with real candy.
No candies in pizza. Sam, go away. Stop bothering me.
What's this?
These are mushrooms, Sam.
Mushrooms?
Mushrooms.
Can't we do without them?
We can, but not today. I'll just add them to the pizza. There. It's coming out nicely so far, but something's missing. Right, we'll need some cheese. So where's the grater? Where have I seen it? Here, I think? Sam, what are you doing here?
Well, I wanted to help you. You need this grater, right?
I do need the grater, but I'm pretty sure you were looking for candy again, right? Oh well, come with me. Right, I've got the grater back, and now I can grate some cheese.
Here.
What's this, Sam?
Well, it's for your candyless pizza. You do need to sprinkle it with something.
Well, thank you very much, Sammy. But I'm going to sprinkle it with cheese.
Cheese? This cheese? Is that the thing that stinks? Ew!
What's the matter with him? Oh well, our pizza's ready and it's time to bake it. Right, let's put it on the baking tray and place it in the oven for 10 minutes. I just love watching the cheese melt. Look, now it's all bubbly, and it's time to get it out. Okay, Sammy, our pizza's ready, and it's time to give it a try.
I'm not sure. It's candyless and all that.
I'll use this cool pizza cutter to cut it into slices.
Doesn't make it any better.
Well, smell it at least.
Ew, it stinks. Nope, not gonna eat it. Eat it yourself.
It looks delicious. Maybe we should make a Sam pizza.
I'm down.
Of course you are.
Right. So heavy. Right. Here's the jam. And Skittles. And gummies. Come on, bring it here.
Here's the pizza base.
Well, all right. It's round like a candy, so fine. Now take the jam.
Yum! It smells delicious. I must give it a try.
Hey! Put it back! It's for the pizza!
Greedy, aren't we?
Spread it already!
I'm spreading.
Well, since it's my pizza, I want to make the second half with chocolate.
Aren't you afraid your teeth will fall out from all the sugar?
Nope, and let me do the spreading. Spread it good, oh yeah.
Sam, easy. Just look at yourself.
What? You can't create a masterpiece without getting a little messy.
Come on, let's clean you up.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it every night and day. Spread my wings and fly away. Yes, that's right. Don't forget the sponge. Oh, yes. I love bathing.
I have to finish everything for that little scamp.
Look who's talking.
Let's open the gummies. Come on, out you go. Right, I'll place the gummies on the pizza.
Oh, I need to grab one.
All right. There's enough for both you and the pizza. Here we go.
Don't forget these.
I won't. They'll go nice with jam. Sprinkle them over. Need to fix that.
Oh, kids, you haven't forgotten to subscribe, have you? And hit the bell button. Many thanks from Sammy.
Sam, the pizza's almost ready.
Oh, something's missing.
We need to sprinkle it with something. Cheese, for example.
Right, maybe you'll sprinkle it with sausage, too. No, you can't sprinkle such pizza with anything. Oh, a sec. Here, go on, sprinkle it.
I'm sprinkling.
Awesome sauce! Let's take a photo.
Sure thing. Just a moment. Hold still.
Oh, what's this?
It's a Polaroid. You say cheese, sorry, candy, and a photo comes out.
Cool.
Here, see for yourself.
Oh, handsome, right? Well, pizza's good too.
As if there were any doubts.
Kids, do you like my pizza? Give a thumbs up if you do. And let's get this video to 20,000 thumbs up, Yum! Now it's time to eat.
Can I try it too? Just one slice?
Well, here. There's barely enough for me.